In today's tech scene, Google takes center stage yet again, this time not for a groundbreaking product release, but due to a series of notable layoffs and reshuffles within its various teams, particularly those responsible for the development of Flutter, Dart, and Python. These changes come at a critical juncture as Google, a tech behemoth known for its vast portfolio of products, and as a pioneer in digital innovation, gears up for its annual I/O Developer Conference set for May 14th and 15th. Flutter and Dart have been integral to Google's development toolkit, enabling programmers to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Similarly, Python, a language renowned for its simplicity and versatility, has been a backbone for many of Google's algorithmic processes, including machine learning projects. Thus, the trimming of these teams has prompted a stir within the developer community, anxious about the potential impacts on these technologies. Google confirmed the layoffs but kept details scarce, not disclosing exact numbers or which teams saw the most significant cuts. However, reports from TechCrunch and social media posts by employees shed light on the situation, revealing that the decisions were made to become more efficient and work better, remove layers, and align their resources to their biggest product priorities. Google's spokesperson emphasized a vision for simplifying structures to reduce bureaucracy, thereby granting employees greater freedom to innovate on the company's most crucial projects. Amidst these organizational adaptations, Google pledges continued investment in its highest priorities and the massive opportunities that lie ahead. The company encourages affected individuals to apply for other roles internally, suggesting a reshuffling rather than a definitive door closing for those impacted. On the flip side, such layoffs are not exceptional in the tech industry's current climate. Just last year, Google laid off 6% of its workforce, approximately 12,000 employees, hinting at a broader trend of tech giants reassessing their workforce in response to evolving market demands and the fast-paced technological landscape. Moreover, it's worth noting the timing of these layoffs, occurring just weeks before Google's much-anticipated I/O Developer Conference. This event has historically been a platform for Google to showcase the latest advancements and strategic directions. Hence, the recent layoffs have sparked conversations amongst industry watchers and developers alike, speculating on what Google will announce this year, especially concerning AI investments and the future of its development tools environment. In essence, Google's recent moves reflect a strategic recalibration, focusing on efficiency, streamlining operations, and doubling down on innovation. While it may stir uncertainty in the short term, especially amongst the developer community, it elucidates Google's larger vision of aligning resources with its core priorities, setting the stage for what the tech giant envisions as the next big leap forward. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.